Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Assistant Professor Dr. Muhammad Armi Abu Samah, and this is my product. We call IIUM Marmi Smart Bin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to present my new product innovation entitled with IIUM Marmi Smart Bin, or we call it as iSmart. Okay. Normally, waste is unwanted thing. It's a new lack of effective equipment, and the procedure is quite complicated. Normally, the content of waste in Malaysia is dominated by leachate in composition. Before the compost process started, it is important for the food and organic waste are separate from the known as a leachate. The IIUM Marmi Smart Bin, okay, basically is a bin capable of separate food waste into various solid and liquid elements via the natural process system. Food and organics, okay, such as vegetable, chicken, bone, rice, food will be transported to the composting plant for the composting process, while leachate or liquid from the food waste will be extracted, okay, from the iSmart bin and used for landscape and cultivated plants. The leachate is inappropriate to be drained on the cement area and not be released into the drainage line because the water may be polluted and smelly to the environment. Okay. For the future, okay, basically iSmart content is made up by the polymer, namely high density polyethylene HDPE. So it made this invention has excellent physical property like strong, waterproof, and not easily corrodable. In addition, iSmart is rodent resistant and insect resistant since it has 5 fittings overlapping cover. Another feature that made iSmart be different from other bin, it has handle at the back side of the bin. It's more convenient and easy to carry out. Basically, this invention is made up from two main components, which are the body of iSmart bin and filter plate. So iSmart on detail is about 2400 liter and 120 liter capacity. Two solid rubber wheel, dimension 570 mm, and also the diameter 730 mm and times 1004 mm for the high, and color is green normally. Material high density polyethylene or HDPE, and weight is about 13 kg. For the filter plate, the characteristic or content PVC supported stand, and also using the stainless steel metal plate and also stainless steel filter mesh. Okay, for the benefit, okay, so iSmart bin is a new innovation that has a lot of benefit, not only to user but to environment. The benefit are including first, user friendly, and second, cost effective. So third is about environmental friendly and mobile practice, and last but not least is about first and crucial step for composting process. Meanwhile, for the industry partner, the manufacture of this iSmart bin was collaborated with Cakapra Senyam Berhad. This collaboration was done as Cakapra Senyam Berhad offers high quality of high density polyethylene or HDPE rubbish bin, which either to be used in office, school, restaurant, institute, apartment, condominium, house, shop, park, playground, road, hospital, shopping complex, refuse chamber, and etc. In addition, the product of Cakapra has complied with the requirement of Sirin Berhad. Last but not least is about target market. Basically, we are targeting all users related with waste management such as Alam Flora Senyam Berhad, Local Authority, Southern Waste Management Senyam Berhad, Idaman, and Pengurusan Sisa Pekerja dan Pembersihan Awam SWCOP. This iSmart bin also can be used by food premise, for example, restaurant, hotel, cafeteria, and other premise or organization related with waste management, especially on food waste and organic waste. Other than that, we are also targeting agency for individuals that are involved in composting process. Okay, finally, I hope this is something that really new product and innovation for Malaysia. So this is something that really important for Malaysia to manage our waste, especially on the food waste and others organic waste. So I think that's all my presentation, and I hope that this can able to contribute, especially on the waste management in Malaysia. Inshallah. Thank you very much.